While writing a script, I kept asking myself, who is our protagonist? What thought does she has in her head? What is she dreaming about? After all, she was, in one way or another, a prototype of a strong woman who, despite different cultural periods in our history, has always existed in our society. According to Nizami's plot, intelligent and well-read princess, tired of numerous admirers, secluded in the tower. In today's world, she might be able to translate her thoughts and desires and fears through the social networks. She could have a conversation without getting into the physical contact with a person. But in the 12th century, this, of course, wasn't possible. That's why we thought that the script would be an imitation on 5 radio channels that would broadcast the inner world of our protagonist. I should mention that I continued the tradition of Nizami to ask riddles, and it's done in multiple languages. For voiceovers, we attracted professionals from Italy, Germany, England, and the United States. Along with my poems, you can also hear a passage from Turandot play in translation of Friedrich von Schiller. It should be noted that Schiller's play was based on Karl Gotze play. In his version, although the princess was not cruel, on contrary, she was a romantic girl who followed her moral and ethical principles. That's why this passage is accompanied by my lyrical poem in German translation. Italian canzone, written on my poem Sound of a Woman and Azerbaijani composer Rizvan Sadirkhanov, performed by a tenor from Italy, is another artistic improvisation as a reference to Giacomo Puccini opera Turandot. In one word, each element of this project is surrounded by cultural metamorphosis, preserving the principle of Chinese whisper.